Hi, I'm Captain Ken Gibson. I'm the president of Majestic Princess Cruises, and I'd like to personally welcome you aboard. Come join us on our next dinner cruise or plan your next special event with us. We are a full-service charter fleet, sightseeing and dinner cruise operation located right here in West Palm Beach, Florida, serving the West Palm Beaches, Fort Lauderdale, and Stewart Tri-County area. We perform the #1 wedding event on the water in South Florida that will create that unique memory of a lifetime. Our fleet includes 2 modern charter vessels, the Majestic Princess II, a 124-foot skipperliner, and the Majestic Princess, an 81-foot skipperliner, which are both fully equipped for business meetings, day charters, lunch and dinner cruises, for that special event and full-service formal dining. Our upper decks provide full cocktail and bar service and dance floor with breathtaking views of the South Florida waterfront. So why don't you and your friends come join us?